Guys, it's me, the large Roblox gamer, and today we're gonna be doing a video, but the lighting is so bad. But yeah, I don't care. Let's see if I can get this to get. I need a lighter. Does that work a little bit? Does that work a little bit? Okay, that works. So today we're going to be unboxing a PS4 controller on November 10 or November 5, November 6. I might get my PS4, so yeah. So here's the controller. It's nice. It's super nice. Let's unbox it. So oh, it's really bad lighting. So, I'm just gonna take it out from here. The moment of truth. So here's the controller. I can't take it out yet, but now I can. Hold on. Here's the controller. Really bad lighting, which is great. I don't know why it's great, but I don't care. So here's the buttons. We got X, circle, triangle, square. We got the home button, which you press and then you go to the home. The analog sticks. These are for, like, I don't know what it is for. I think I'm gonna be doing some live streams on my PS4, so that's gonna be sick. Yeah. And when you press this button right here, ooh, it's lighting up, which is cool, and yeah. Ooh. Like, I'm gonna have, this is my dad controllers right now. This is my dad controller because we're gonna play together on the PS4, and I'm gonna have a different, hold on, let me just search it up on the computer. Yo, like, I love this controller. Oh, good lighting, good lighting. I love this controller right now. The jet black, ooh. Ooh. Hi guys. My name is Patrick, and I'm a YouTuber. My name is Patrick, and I'm a YouTuber. Analog sticks, yeah. And these are the triggers. Ba-ba-da-ba-da. I don't want to show my address. Ooh. They're selling the iPhone 10, the iPhone X on Best Buy. Wow. Let's go to my cart. Hold on, guys. That already. What? Already got that. Okay, so here's what we're getting. It's coming on November 3, but we already got it. We bought it, but it's coming on November 3, but I might not do a video on November 3. So here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says Ooh, oh my god. It says Sony PlayStation 4 1 TB. 1 TB. Guess how much that is? 1,000 gigabytes. That's crazy. Limited edition Call of Duty World at War 2 console bundle green camouflage. It's gonna come out green camouflage. It's gonna be awesome. So yeah, I'm really cringy, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. I'm really cringy.